No way. So, there's a good chance this is the wrong building. In which case, this isn't a vando and I've just creeped into someone's garden. Oh shit, it doesn't look abandoned, you know. I think we might have the wrong house. I don't know if I've got the right house. Hang on. Oh, hang on. Yeah, this is it. This is it. No way. Madness. We'll check round the back for an entrance first, I think. That might be a camera. There's a light, could just be motion detectors for a light. Possible. Oh yes. Boom. Okay. It's nice and quick. I think there were just motion detectors for lights. So, don't know anything about this place. To be honest, I wasn't even sure this was the right house, but it is. I think they start renovations. They've got new boarding and mugs hanging. Decent sized house though. Looks bloody old as well. Whoa. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's a garage. Blimey. With a fireplace. Wow. Would it have been a garage? I don't know. Maybe it's just another room. This place is bigger than I thought it was. There's scrap wood in here. Yeah, so they must be renovating this place. Beautiful fireplace. Not as good as the school though, with the dogs. That is, the fireplace is now great. So it is pretty bare. I honestly thought this place would have stuff in. Clearly not. These stairs are on a madness though. This place is insane. The pink fireplace. Alright, we're calling this the pink house. This place is amazing. This is not what I expected to find. I was expecting this tiny little cottage. I mean, it's empty, but it's a hell of a building. Fireplaces in like every room. Oh man. I just shit myself. What the fuck? That's really funny. That's a motion detector. Oh shit. That's a motion detector. Oh fuck, okay. Ah shit. So if it's working, then that's probably just triggered something. I have to take a photo of this room, look at that. Okay, we might have to speed up a bit. I want to see this whole place before. These stairs are just so cool. Before anyone turns up. This is a bathroom, I guess. Do this one first. Whoa! The floor's left the chat, another fireplace. Oh, I thought I was in that corner of the house. This place is awesome. I mean, it's empty. I've got garage as well. Which I was kind of didn't think it would be. But what a building. Wow. This is a big house. How many rooms have we got? One bedroom, 2 bedroom, oh, and a third. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got an 8-bedroom house. Wow. Should we open the creepy wardrobe? Nah. Just cobwebs and that kind of shit. Whoa! Okay. Floor's not quite as sound as I thought it was. Mate, this place though, I'm in love. This is one of my favourite houses I've been to. Tucked away in the trees and that. Curtains. This is so cool. I just love these staircases. Look at that. That's a photo. That's a photo, mate. What a place though. I'm in love. It's the staircase as well. It's just so like, it's classy. Oh shit. I got way too excited then. I was like, oh my god, it goes down. Had a secret room. But not quite. I didn't even see that room. Oh, that's so weird. It's like an area just cordoned off. It makes it so much cooler that this place is in a forest, kind of. Absolutely brilliant.